Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to remove unwanted parts of a video or adjust its length, Canva lets you trim clips quickly without needing professional video editing software. In this guide I will show you step by step how to trim a video in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva, log into your account, open an existing video project or create a new one. So let's choose, for example, this one. Okay, trimming works only with video elements. Okay, so now select the video clip. So click the video inside the design. So let's choose a template of a video, for example, this one. Okay, so click the video inside the design. Okay, make sure it's highlighted. You must select the clip before trimming. Okay, so open the trim tool. Okay, so with the video selected, click trim in the toolbar. Okay, you will now see the video timeline. Okay, so in the trim panel, drag the left handle to remove the beginning, for example, drag the right handle to remove the end, and adjust until the trim or the trimming looks right. Okay, so after that you can tap done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.